So, welcome to the biggest trading channel, man. Welcome to the biggest and the greatest trading channel, man. This is where we do what we call best market analysis. So, I had a great weekend. I hope your weekend was good. Mine was very beautiful, but I'm very excited for the market. But you know, as traders, we love Mondays, man. We hate Fridays, we love Mondays. Traders, they are the opposite of everyone. Everyone loves weekends. We don't love weekends because we are not in our work environment, and this thing is a calling, man. The weekend comes, you're just waiting for Monday to come, and that's why I'm saying it's the biggest and greatest trading channel. Welcome, man. So as usual, you know, we changed things. The news are coming at the end of the channel so that we can begin with the market analysis, straight market analysis. Okay, so first of all, we are going to start with gold. Yeah. The gold, as you know, has been falling. Gold has been on a bearish momentum, and it's not that favoring to gold because gold was very strong and very bullish. So let's see how the end of the week happened. As you can see, it tried to come to these levels, which are very good. For me, remember I said when I'm trading, I'm waiting and observing where the trend is going to end. And this is why I'm very keen when it comes to gold. I want to know if the trend is going to end within this area or it's going to continue. So this is on a daily. This is something I always do. And this was our previous support. Okay. This was our previous support. Let me show you. I'm using the most recent support. So this was our previous support, okay, within that area. That means the market came here, was unable to continue the trend, change the direction, and came back, okay. And that was by flow. This is where I'm saying I observe where the trend is coming to an end. So as you see, I'm waiting to see if this trend will come to an end. I always remember I say include weeks, okay. There you go. So this was my flow. Okay, this was my flow. Now the market is currently at my flow area. So I will go to the lower time frame and go to 4 hour and see how the market is behaving. So as you can see, the last time the market was here, it went back. So we are waiting for the market to come back here and we can see if we can take a setup. All right, this is a good sign. This shows the market is turning bullish for gold, which is very interesting. But this doesn't mean we are 100% sure of the market. Something can change the direction of the market. Okay, always know that we are never 100%. We might be 90% sure, but the market does what it feels like or what it wants. So if it comes to gold, I will for it here. If it comes here, I can long. So for gold, I'll be waiting for that beautiful long there. Okay, that beautiful long. It comes, and we can target 43 levels because the market, I say the market is currently at our support. Always have a good risk to reward because no need for greed. Okay, where after the market goes to our direction or after the market favors our trade, we can break even and make sure we don't make losses. But for now, this is our stop loss. Okay, stop loss, take profit. All right. So this will be a very good setup. You can see my PNL. Okay, you can see a risk to reward, very beautiful. So let's wait and see how the market will behave when it comes to gold. The other one is BTC. Now BTC euro. All right, we go to higher time frame. Always remember that higher time frames dictate where the market is going to go. All right, higher time frames always dictate where the market is going to go. Actually, as you can see, these were our previous supports, our supports and resistance. The market has not broken above them. So the market is currently ranging within this area. This is one. So I will not recommend to take any setup right now. I'll have to wait for the market to come in my support. I don't like to take trades when they are already gone. This is what I call risky trades. Okay, it broke our neckline, which is a good sign, but I will not recommend to take this setup unless it's within these areas. All right, always have guides and rules to follow before getting to a setup. I said I don't chase setups, I don't rush to take setups. As you can see, the market always comes back to my level. Look at this. If I want to take this short, I would have taken this short there. So the other one is gold. It's oil. I mean oil. I'm sorry for the slip of the tongue. So the next one is oil. All right. So oil has been dropping big time, but I would recommend to sell oil currently because the Iran US deal it's kind of shaky, and I will explain during the news session at the end of this analysis. So what I'll do when it comes to oil, I'll have to wait. All right, I will have to wait. Okay, market is a game of patience. Don't come here if you have no patience. Don't come here if you feel like you want to rush things. Always come to the market with patience. Okay, the charts will always be there. Don't worry about missing a trade or a trend. You will get another one. But when it comes to getting capital, it's not easy to get another capital as it is to get another setup. So as you know, I have not been trading this thing USD. Why? USD has not been respecting my levels. Look at this. No, this was my previous support. Okay. This one, I thought the market will come and respect it. It has not been respecting it. It has created new levels right there. So these are levels within new areas. Okay, so the market is not respecting my previous support when it comes to high time frames. It has created its own support in small time frames. Okay, look at this. No good defined support or resistance. Okay, there's no good defined support or resistance. Don't fall in love with a pair. Fall in love with your strategy. So coming to take a trade here is very risky. Okay, for example, anyone who took this short here, they got wicked and the market went their direction. Okay, anyone who got into this long somewhere here got wicked, the market went their direction. And USD has been doing that. USD has been doing that, not respecting levels of support and resistance. Okay, so currently I'm just observing USD. No much to do when it comes to USD. Okay, so the next one is these ones. I said I have two correlating pairs. Okay, this is GBP USD and Euro USD. All right, I want to see which one. Okay, which one respects my trading strategy the most. I have already analyzed them. All right, I have already analyzed them. I won't lie to you. Like when it comes to GBP USD, I think I'm waiting to see if it will respect or not. Remember, I said I don't back test. I just execute the market when it gives me good setups. Okay, so these were analysis for a video, so I just use them. Not this one. Delete. Okay. So I just use new ones. Wow. All right. So I was analyzing at a higher time frame so that I can define. I said always know the market direction, the trajectory. Okay. All right. So this is my support. I have seen it doesn't have the most perfect supports, but it has the greatest supports you can have. Okay. So this is it. Okay. All right. So market has been respecting this one. Come on, there you go. So the market has been respecting this zone a lot, and where does it end? Let's see. So it comes up to these zones. As you can see, this is what I'm saying. Always have well-defined areas. For example, this one a day, the market has been respecting it. All right. Look at this previous one. Okay, this one. The market has been respecting it. Okay, so this is the level we are observing. All right, this is the level we are observing. So let's go to 4 hour. I don't want to go into deep breakdown of the market because we will have a day for that and we live stream. So what I'm waiting right now is to see if this long can be taken. All right, so I have to take that long. TP will be somewhere there. Okay, that's the full TP, but obviously you know how we trade. You have TP1 areas, TP2, TP3, full TP, or TP4 if we find one, alright? But we are waiting for it to come here and we can take this beautiful long. Currently, I'm not going to take it. I said I'm going to observe how the market is going to do, alright? Because we don't backtest, we trade in real time. So this is what I do. I just make sure I analyze, my setup is ready, and see if the market is going to respect. So the next one is Euro USD, alright? Euro USD, I was expecting a short actually somewhere here. I have already analyzed them. I'm just giving you a preview, right? Because I told you I want to come up with a challenge of small account challenge, okay? And look at this, well-defined area. So this was support for that area and resistance for support for longs and resistance for shorts. So look at that, a well-defined area, right? Tip include, but we have to go to a small time frame to identify how the market is respecting the area. So we have to know where exactly it's respecting it. Okay, as you can see, it came here, tried to break these levels, tried to break the support, but it lacked the momentum, came back to a level. So what I'm going to do, if this market gives us a good setup, we can short. Okay, we can short. I said we are analyzing to see which one is respecting, so that when I come with that small account challenge, it will be very good and very easy to take it, because you can't start a challenge with a trades with very big margins like gold. All right, so that's all when it comes to the market breakdown. And the news segment, we have Venezuela. We have Venezuela quick earthquake. Now this is top stories, right? 1 hour ago. Survivor following Venezuela earthquake. They were hit by a double earthquake. Okay, you can see rescued against all from an earthquake rubble in Venezuela. Okay, so they were hit by a double earthquake, man. Okay, all right. As you can see, this is not easy, man. I think we are in a climate crisis, because I saw even in Europe the heat waves are very big. As you know, I reported them in France, and I think it's affecting the whole Europe region. And this is not a good sign, man. This is not a good sign, man. This shows the weather is not good. I think the years of what we have been doing are catching up with us, and they are starting with Europe, man. This is not good. Okay, so another thing, the reason as to why I said you should avoid trading oil is this one. Iran war update. No need to go into details to give us Iran war update. Okay, this is why I said avoid oil. 3 hours ago, Iran targets US military sites in Bahrain and Kuwait as strikes strain fragile truce. Okay, so the war, I think it's back. They are hitting other people. They are hitting each other very hard, which is not a good sign. We have Iran war. US hits Iran in latest tit-for-tat strikes. Okay, none of these individuals want peace at this moment. You can't convince me, man. Because why do you want to fight? I thought it was the Israelites who didn't want the peace. Now the Iranians don't want the peace. Okay, IRGC doubles down as Iran US MOU jeopardized by Hormuz strikes. All right, so that's what is happening in the global news, and let's meet at the top, man. For now, chats all out, chats well out.